I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me some.
Hey, it is your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm bringing you this super duper bomb look, and y'all, I'm so happy to be back filming. I feel like I say that every single time I come on here, but your girl is happy. Before we get into this tutorial, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to become a real MVP and a part of the winning team, period. And yeah, without further ado, I also used a whole bunch of other new products, but yeah, y'all gonna see. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I am so freaking excited to be back filming. I feel like I say that every single time I come on here, but y'all, I'm happy. But yeah, so today I'm about to be using like hecka new products because your girl has been shopping, okay? And I do have some more products coming in, but I will be doing a haul on these products after I get done with this look. So y'all gonna see this look before it actually comes out. But yeah, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So first, as you can see, I did buy the MMMMitchel palette. So this is the Ahead in the Clouds palette. And y'all, this freaking palette, this is bomb. Like, do y'all see these colors? And I did some swatches earlier on my Snapchat. So if you're not following me, make sure you follow me on all my social medias. So they'll be linked down below. But yeah, I did a Snapchat haul. And y'all, these palettes are beautiful. These are so freaking pretty. And the swatch is impeccable, okay? But yeah, so we're gonna be taking the Mitchel palette, and I am first going to be taking this shade right here called Midnight, and then I'll be going into Perps and Caicos, which is this purple shade. A double cut crease, and for the first crease I'm gonna be taking Hot Orange from P. Louise, and then I'm be going into both Mitchel palettes. So from the Feet on the Ground palette, I'm gonna be taking Tiger Lily, which is this beautiful orange shade. The camera not doing it justice. Like, that shade is beautiful. So I'm gonna be taking Tiger Lily, and then I'll be going into this other orange shade from the Ahead in the Clouds, which is called Marmalade, which is this orange, and this is really pretty. this base in Rumor Zero and then like prime my lid for these pigments. So I'm going to be taking 2 different pigments from AllAroundLALA. And I have the shades Angel Wings, which is like this really pretty icy blue. And then I have Oh Boy, which is like this white and pink reflect pigment. It's like really pretty. Y'all can't really see the pink in the camera, but yeah, it's hecka pretty. Take both the Inglass 77 gel liner and then the NYX vinyl liner because I like the precision of this one, but I like the mattness and the color of this one. So yeah. For primer, I'm about to go into the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and for foundation, I'll be taking the NARS. What is this? This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. That's a long name, but this is in the shade Macao. For concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I got the shades Tan Sand and I believe it's Light Medium Sand. Yeah, it's Light Medium Sand. So I'll be using those to highlight. And then if you are not new to my channel, then you already know your girl is going to be taking the Juvia's Stick Foundation to go ahead and cream contour. And I'm a cream contour first before I blend out this concealer, but I like to let it sit for a bit just so it like blends out like really full coverage. So yeah, but you want to be quick because you don't want it to sit too long because Tarte Shape Tape can be a bit dry and it's like really thick, so you want to move kind of quick. with my Beauty Bakery Flour Powder in the shade Cassava. And I'm taking that and just lightly setting up under my eyes.